Hi there. If you want to remove a business name from your phone number or want to change phone number instead on the business name, is the easy steps to do it. Just search for map.google.com. Search for the name which is appearing on your phone number. So I'm picking a random location. It's Walmart, which is appearing on my phone number, and here you can see the phone number which is on which the business name is appearing. You just need to go in suggestion, edit, click on the phone number. Okay, so it's appeared. Just change this phone number with a random phone number, or if you want to change with an actual phone number, you can do it as well. I will look for a virtual phone number, UK, and will replace with it, because sometime Google check with its libraries, so it has to be a real number there. Okay, so it's Canada one. Let's look for another. Okay, let's pick this phone number. Just copy it from here and put it here. Okay, so we are done. So after few time, Facebook will give you update that your edit is accepted. Once the edit is accepted, the phone number I have added into this location will be shown uh, in the location, and also your previous phone number will be removed from the name. So this is really easy steps to do it. You can replace the number, you can remove the number, and etc. And if you want to know your contribution is accepted or not, just click on 3 lines bar and go into this. Okay, click on edits. Yeah, so my edit is accepted and phone number is replaced with this one, as you can see. Now whenever someone calls on this phone, someone click and call on this phone number, the name will be appeared there. I will replace with the original one because this is someone's locations, not mine, and this is someone's phone number, not mine. So I will not create a harm for them. I will replace it after that. So if you face any problem while managing it, you can just let me know in comments. I will let you know the solution for it. And in case if it's not accepted, then you need to click any other of the location. Then you need to try it again, and again. This is the only way you can remove your phone number from a business name, or you can replace a phone number from a business name. Thank you for watching the videos. Hope to see you in more.